Hi students again. Today for this session I will explain for you how to build the wall. I deleted this cube. Okay, no problem. I will delete this collection, cube, everything here. And here I will add from mesh and I will choose cube. Okay. And here students, as you can see, I will go for edit mode. For this day, I will explain for you how to make a wall. So maybe I can use from this axis. Okay, move tool. I will take this up like that, and I will make this scaling right and left. So I will use scale, and I will take it in y axis like that. Okay, and here maybe also I can take it like that. Okay, now everything is okay, no problem. I want to add here something in right and left to take this out. So I will go here for edge, and maybe I can use loop. Here I will add loop. After that I will use this one to make the loop more than 5. Okay, and I will use this face. I will choose faces and I will choose this polygon and this polygon using shift. Also in the other side I will do it, and here I will use extrude like that. As you can see, I have a problem. Oh, back again. Good, no problem. Now I will take it up. It will be wrong, so Control Z. I will try to take it, for example, but here it will give me which one I will use. Here I will make this 0, and I will make this in x-axis, but it will take, as you can see, it go in one direction. So I will go back again, and here I will choose this extrude along normals, and here I will take it up little like this. Okay, and now I want to hold this edge up. Okay, and here this edge also, and I will take this little to inside. Here also I will take this edges, and I will take this out some little like this. Okay, now everything is okay. I can take this model for, so it will be easy to add gray material for this sign, and here from viewport shading I can see the material. Now I will export my object into FBX, and I will choose FBX, but here because I didn't save the file, I will save the file at first, and here maybe I can call this wall, and I will save the Blender. After that I will export my FBX, and it will be wall. I will export like this. Okay students, in the next video I will explain for you how to install Blender and how you can use this one. So I will give you Blender, and I will help you in Blender in another playlist. Maybe I can speak here in Blender how to make a location, how to make 3D model, how to make 3D location for a cartoonish. It will be good to discuss this here. But if you want to understand how to use Unity, you can go for the playlist of Unity, and you will find this playlist in our description box. Thank you very much, and meet you in the next video.